right, so I'm ready to move to the next. I'm ready to introduce a good friend of mine, Barb Kozu from the Delta Dental Foundation. She's going to talk about some of the projects that are happening with the foundation. So I'm just going to let Barb start her presentation. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I'm hoping everyone can see it. Can everyone see it?
Yes, we could see it.
Yes.
Okay. It's not showing up in my little thing. So, okay. Delta Dental of Arizona Foundation. Hopefully, I've worked with many of you regarding funding. This year, we did specifically in grants and about $800,000. That's our budget. And our focus areas, the ones I'm going to talk about here, since I just have a short, brief time, are education, as we have so many people invested in education. We also focus on medical dental integration and innovative programs. But today we're going to talk about oral health education. I'm going to kind of whip through some of our partnerships here. We have Phoenix Children's Hospital has an oral health educator they work with that we fund. Greater Arizona Puppet Theater puts out 84 shows across the state. This year they're focusing in Southern Arizona on those, and they go to Title I schools. And they're very cute little puppet shows for kids, kindergarten to or under kindergarten even till third grade. Children's Museum of Phoenix, we do a lot on Children's Dental Health Month. So those three programs impacted 35,000 lives. We do an expert voices strategic discussion with executives, which that I could talk for hours. I love that project and program, bringing people together to make change. Very successful nurse educator program that brought together, or I should say, and resulted in Valleywise Healthcare Hospital prioritizing oral health for their 10,000 patients a year. So everyone will be brushing their teeth morning and night, twice a day. That's never happened there before. So that is a great outcome from that. Arizona PBS promoting brushing, flossing, all the good things. And a special healthcare training. You're going to hear a lot more about that in the next session. That these three programs impacted 144,000 lives. So we do focus on impact, which this is we are starting a program this year called Hygiene Inspired, or HI. It's in partnership with the AZOHC. And the reason we're participating in it is because of these numbers. The hygiene shortage right now and the projected hygiene shortage is just looking to get even more dire in the next 10 years. So only Maricopa and Mojave counties. And I saw Tracy Gift was here, so good on you, Tracy. This is probably due to you. They're the only two counties in Arizona that are expected to meet the dental hygiene demand. And I would bet everyone in this room has an anecdote of the issues that we're having currently with the hygiene shortage. So this program is called Hygiene Inspired. It is funded through the AZOHC and Delta Dental of Michigan. We are Delta Dental of Arizona. So Michigan is funding this, and then we're participating in the pilot. We're funding the program in our state. There are 6 states currently participating listed there. Hygienists, basically, the basic story of this program is that it's hygienists recruit students to go into hygiene, whether it be dentists, dental assistants, or hygienists, chairside while they're working on patients. They just chat with the patients because we know most hygienists love to talk to their patients and do education right there. Well, this would be workforce development right there during those conversations that you have. So by getting those patients who are, they look like the people in their communities, it'll help diversify the workforce by getting those people interested in this type of a career, and it'll improve access to care. So how this is broken up in our state is we have 3 ambassadors. Tammy Baca is our Central Arizona ambassador, it's called the High Ambassadors or Hygiene Inspired Ambassadors. Kim Freeman is our North Country, Northern Arizona ambassador. And Sean Lee, he's the dental director at El Rio in Tucson. He is our Southern Arizona ambassador. They've all been sent to Florida for training, and they're coming back, and now they're looking for allies. This is a flyer that the allies can distribute, but this is kind of the quality of design and thought that's gone into the type of flyers and information that's being given to the patients. So allies, what our 3 ambassadors are recruiting allies to help do the recruiting chairside. The responsibilities would be, there's 1 email a month basically, and you can assist in recruiting additional allies if you'd like, but that's not a component that is mandatory. And all that we are asking the allies to do is to do a 1-hour webinar training on how to talk to patients, what to talk to patients about. Here on the right is a pin, and all the allies would get a pin. You can wear that on your uniform every day, and thoughtfully target your patients. So non-traditional hygienists, which would be men, people of different races, especially in those communities of color, looking for, say, kids about 12 to 14 and up, who just to plant those seeds. This is obviously, we're investing in the long game here. This isn't like we're doing this for a year and we're going to have a huge increase in hygiene workforce, but it's going to build and build and build. So if you're interested, please contact the allies in your area. And I'm going to go back to that slide so you can write down their emails if you'd like to get them. I forgot one slide here. Interacting with patients, initiating the conversations. You discuss, the flexibility and the education, and give them the flyers and information, and then potentially assist patients in looking for educational opportunities. The AZOHC is putting information on their website that patients can go to for the different hygiene schools in their areas. So I'm going to go back to the slide. If you're interested, you can email your ambassadors, and they're your checkpoint. They're your answers to every question that you may have. So we would love if you'd be interested in that. And that is our focus, our little bit for today. I'm going to put in the chat my information if you're interested in grants. Our grant applications become available in late August, early September, and you can apply for those. So there you go. I'm going to get into the chat, and I think we're good to go on to the next. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm here, right?
Yep, I hear you.
Okay. So, yeah, if anybody, if you see my email there, you can reach out to me. And do you see me?
I probably took it down. Hang on.
No, it's okay. I can pretty much, if you need to, you can reach out to me and I can get you to the other ambassadors. It's a wonderful program that we're going through. I'm sorry. That was my fault, operator error. Yeah, so it's a great program, wonderful people. We're just trying to get some non-traditional dental hygienists, especially to work in the community health centers where there's a huge shortage of dental hygienists. So yeah, please reach out. Great opportunity. Thanks, Barb, again for that. Any questions you have, you can feel free to reach out to Barb. She'll put her information in there, and we'll go ahead and move to the next